Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app. It's usually in Tools folder, and click on it. I have it over here. Now you need to click on this red button to start recording. Firstly, you need to select Allow in the pop-ups for this app to work properly, but I already did that, so I can now pause my video by tapping on the red button and unpause it the same way. If you wish to add a bookmark, you need to tap on this icon with a flag, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the track mark. Now you can delete it right away by clicking on delete, or you can also name it however you wish to and select OK. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, click on delete icon over here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!